So open again the REST API rest.py module, and right underneath our parameters, add the following logic. We need to import our EE products dictionary that we defined in part 1 of this tutorial series, and that's located in our GEE products from .gee.products import EE products. And essentially what we're doing is we're using the information provided in that dictionary to validate. So we check first to see if platform is defined. So if it's not defined or it's not in one of the keys of this EE products dictionary, then we're going to assume that we're not supporting it. This will make it so that to add additional products later on, all we have to do is add it to the EE products, and this will update automatically. If this is the case, then we're going to return an HTTP response that's a bad request and with a message that indicates to the user the valid platforms that are supported. Then we do the same thing for sensors and product. It's the same pattern. Once we're done getting through these, we know that we have valid platform, sensors, and product. We'll go ahead and retrieve that information from the EE products dictionary, and then we'll validate the index while we're at it using that information. To test this, go back to Postman and uncheck everything so that we're not sending any query parameters to our request, and press send. Now instead of seeing the data dictionary, we get this message: the platform parameter is required. Valid platforms include Modus, Sentinel, and Landsat. If we look up here, we can see that the status returned as 400 bad request, which is the appropriate HTTP error code. So let's go ahead and continue by checking on platform to see that we see the error message show up with sensor. So again, sensor is required, and it gives us the option. If we change our platform to Landsat, for example, then we'll see that sensors are 7 and 8. I'll just change that back to Modus. So it dynamically gives us the feedback that we need. Let's check on sensor and do the same. We have products, snow, and temperature. So we need to provide one of those. Excellent. So now we've gotten past our validation and we're moving on.